to you by Baby Lock, for the love of sewing. Sulky Threads, express yourself with Sulky and create with confidence. Our exclusive fabric partners. Be sure to look for their newest lines of fabric.
Welcome to Quiltmaker's Block Network. I'm Eileen Fowler from Quiltmaker magazine, and today I'm going to share with you Santa Fe Star, block number 615, a block I designed for Quiltmaker's 100 Blocks, Volume 7. And I'll share with you some tips I used to make this block. For this 12-inch block, you'll need an assortment of 5 batiks. We have a cream, a turquoise, a brown, an orange, and a light teal. The fabrics and everything you'll need for this block are on the right side of your screen. For this foundation piece block, we're going to need 4 foundation sections. Now the same section is used for all 4 quadrants of the block. However, 2 of those sections are reversed. So if you start with a printed version of the foundation section like this, you're going to need 2 foundation sections reversed. If you're lucky enough to have access to a copy machine that has a mirror image function, then you can make your copies right from your copy machine. If you don't have access to a copy machine that does that, let me show you how we can make a mirror image, a reverse section for you. To hand make my reversed sections, I found this light box. It's actually a plexiglass table with a little light underneath it. Okay, here's a copy of my foundation section. I'm going to flip it over, and you can see the lines more clearly on the other side of the paper because of the light shining through the light box. And I'm going to use a ruler because all my lines are going to be straight. And in this case, I'm using a Sharpie to draw the lines. And I'm going to continue just drawing all the lines that are shown here. And I will also transfer the numbers of the patches and the colors on this side of the paper. This is my master. I'm going to use this copy to make all my reversed sections. I like to make test samples of my blocks, but I don't necessarily need to sew the whole block together. Here I have the section all sewn together, and I haven't trimmed the outside edges yet. I'm going to use this double mirror. It's got a hinge on one corner, and I'm going to lay this up on the inside seams of the section. And you can see that it will reflect the entire block. And if I like what the fabrics look like, then I'll proceed cutting my fabrics, making my blocks. Okay, my foundation sections are pieced. I've got 2 foundation section 1 and 2 foundation section reversed. I'm going to sew a foundation section and a foundation section reversed together for the top and bottom, and then I'm going to sew the upper half to the bottom half to complete the block. And this is the finished block. Here's a quilt layout with the block set in a 3x3 setting. And you'll see that where the blocks intersect, there's a nice diamond design. For this setting, I've used the same 3x3 setting, and I've added a 3-inch horizontal sash between the rows. Here is the block in Sonoran Sands, a quilt I designed and made for the spring 2014 issue of Quiltmaker's Quilts from 100 Blocks. Visit us at Quiltmaker.com for some free, fun quilty quotes. Santa Fe Star and 99 other fun blocks can be found in Quiltmaker's 100 Blocks Volume 7. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you'll join us again soon on the next Quiltmaker's Block Network. If you're lucky enough to have access to a copy machine that can make reverse foundations, I don't know.